Alright, I got the Santa Cruz, and we're going to install the bed extender, and then a trailer hitch I'll do on a different video. But we'll do the bed extender is what we're going to install today. So opening up the box with all the pieces here. Flaps out, remove the pieces. There, more pieces. Alright, we got the pieces here. We got the hardware. We got I haven't done one of these yet. It doesn't look like it comes with the directions. But, these are going to be bars are going to be clamped in there and screwed together. There's a brace, and it's also going to, go to the side of the bed here. Looks like we got for bracket screws and stuff. I don't see any directions, so I'm going to have to look it up on the computer. Hopefully that saves you guys, if you're doing this, saves you something to have to look up. Alright, so we got all our parts out here. These are what's going on the side. We mounted up there. Looks like those three holes are. Those three holes are. And the mount right there, one on each side. Which I'm guessing that looks like these black ones here. These black screws. 3 and 3. Let's see what kind of Allen key I need for that. So for these, it's going to be 5mm. And then I'll get one on because I can't, again, one-handed. Something else I want to point out is there's plastic in those holes covering it. So you're going to have to poke them out. So we got these in with the opening facing towards the rear of the car, both sides. Now we can move on to what's next. We're just going to slide all these together. Which is really hard to do one-handed. I like the way it eases in there. Alright, I got it together. I was being bothered with other tech, so I wasn't filming, but so there it is. It flips back and forth depending where you want it to go. You have these to hold it down and push them into here, and tighten the strap. And to release it, you would release the hatch. So with these kind of braces with the pads on each side, the directions here. Now it comes with rivets, and it says right here, not used. So I have no idea why you'd even put them in there. So you slide these tubes into each other, which the joint for those is on both sides of here. And then you set it in there. It just sits right in there. Slides down there, both sides. You may have to separate these or put them closer together to kind of get them to fit right. And if you look at these posts for these on the inside, there's different lengths, or not really lengths, but different size difference. So I got interrupted again, but here's these inside ones. Some are sticking out farther than the other side, so that you just adjust that accordingly to So this bar is a little bit thicker than this bar because it slides into it. So you set that so it's spaced in there right. Clamp it together. Get the screws in all down there. I put them in loosely and then I adjusted, you know, slid it around, make sure it was tight, and then tightened them all down. Like you can see here. Those straps are just showing you where those straps go. And that's all there is to it. So that takes care of that piece. It's real light, easy to move. In the back here it also works. You're putting it's not a very big bed, so I'm guessing maybe some groceries or something to keep stuff from sliding around. But taking it out, you don't need tools to take it in and out. It slides. You also got little hooks here, almost like a clip more stuff going around, whatever you want to do.